So it took about 7 minutes to fully tear it down. Look, there you go. Power supply dead. A little component burnt up in there. So we have quite a few parts and doohickeys that we can go over. So in the Blu-ray drive, you have this sensor here. You can probably sell it for about $5 to $7, including shipping. The fans, not worth the time selling these, or the heat sinks. At one time you were able to, but not really worth it anymore. A working power supply, they're pretty low right now value-wise. You can probably sell them at about $12 if they're working. Wi-Fi board is another $7-8. Obviously, the Blu-ray drive that's been taken apart, but the Blu-ray drive too can probably sell for $20. But like I said, once it's dead, it's not worth fixing or keeping around. Then you have the motherboard, which is usually dead on these things. So usually it's the motherboard that's dead, and if the motherboard is not dead, it's usually the Blu-ray drive, I find. It's rarely the power supply. If you're lucky enough to get a working motherboard, you can probably sell it for around $40 to $50, including shipping. I haven't sold one of these older motherboards in a very long time, so they might be even lower now, maybe $30. And that's pretty much it. That's what you have for parts. I used to sell the screws, but I stopped doing that because there's not a lot of action on these older consoles. On the Fat PS3, actually, at least, because this was the original Fat model, the one right before the Slims, which are currently selling pretty well. So you got the motherboard. If it's working, we'll get $50 for it. Wi-Fi board, $8. Power supply about $12. Blu-ray drive about $20, and that's pretty much it after. And like I said, if the Blu-ray drive's dead, you get that little sensor, which is another $5 to $7. So that's the value of the stuff if it's working. So let's do the scrapping value of all of this. Oh, also I forgot there's the hard drive and the caddy, which you can probably sell for about $5 to $6. So let's get a scale over here.